I'm Anjana, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today, I'm going to explain why your Amazon Athena query might fail with the HIVE BAD DATA error and how to resolve it. Let's get started. The HIVE BAD data error in Athena occurs when the data type that you defined in the table definition doesn't match the data in your source files. You can get this error when a single column contains different data types across records. Let's go through some examples to understand how to resolve this issue. Example 1. Here, we have a JSON dataset where the ID column is defined as an integer type. However, the last record has the ID value as a decimal 0.54. When we run a select query, we get the HIVE BAD data error because Athena can't parse the decimal value into an integer column. There are two ways that we can resolve this issue. We can redefine the ID column as a string data type which can represent all values. Or we can cast a string as an integer. However, for some data types, this might return null or inaccurate results that you cast from and to. Values that you can't cast are discarded. To resolve this issue, use coalesce to cast the mixed type values in the same column as the output. Now the query runs successfully. Example 2. In this next example, the ID column is defined as an integer, but one of the values exceeds the maximum range for integers in Athena. To resolve this issue, we must change the column data type to BigInt, which has a larger range. Example 3. Here, the ID column is defined as decimal 10,2, but one of the values has more decimal places than the defined scale. To resolve this issue, we'll increase the scale of the decimal type to accommodate all values. Example 4. And finally, in this CSV example, the attribute 2 column contains date strings, but the table schema defined it as a date type. To resolve this issue, we'll change the column type from date to string in the DDL. So now you know why your Amazon Athena query might fail with a HIVE BAD data error and how to resolve it. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.